Hey everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Curries to Cakes. I hope this summer many of you had made your new mango pickle. So why not try this chicken pickle as well? Yeah, it's chicken pickle recipe today. So let's get into the recipe straight away. Heat a pan and add your chicken. This is around 500 grams of chicken, which is boneless. Spread the chicken evenly onto the pan. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt and 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix this well. Mix it that all the pieces get a nice coat of turmeric and salt. Spread it evenly and cook on high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is called searing the chicken, that is locking in the juices. Now turn the heat to medium and cook until all the water evaporates. There is a lot of water that you get from the chicken when you cook. So keep mixing at regular intervals and let all the water evaporate completely. This is a pickle, right? So water is the main enemy for any pickle. It ruins your pickle. So we need to dehydrate it. Mix this at regular intervals and then cook until all the water is evaporated. Once all the water has evaporated, now add 3 tablespoons of oil. So you need to add a lot of oil since this is a pickle and it needs to be stored for a little longer time. That's why. Now mix it well. Now cook this on medium heat until the chicken turns slightly red in color. Keep mixing at regular intervals. Once you start seeing this reddish color on the chicken, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute for about 2 minutes on low heat. Now push all these chicken pieces towards one side to make the tempering. Otherwise you can do the tempering in the tempering pan. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil. Allow it to heat and add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them crackle. Now add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder and switch off the stove and mix this well. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of red chilli powder. You can add about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground pepper. That is optional. Give this a nice mix. Now remove all this chicken into a plate and in the same pan add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Allow it to heat and now add a handful of curry leaves. Fry them until they turn crispy. It's nice and crisp. Add these crispy curry leaves to the chicken pickle and the oil too. And yeah, that's it. Your chicken pickle is ready. You can have it with your steamed rice or jeera rice. You can store this in the refrigerator in an airtight container. It stays for about 15 to 20 days. So do make this and share your experience in the comment section below. Now if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and hit the bell icon beside so that you get notified as and when I upload a new video. Stay tuned for more such amazing videos and thank you for watching.